Hi guys, I want to share with you this interesting case study. This was a Chevy Cruze with low power, high temperature in exhaust, and no communication. Remember this, no communication. No? So here I have relative compression at battery voltage, blue, mm, bright green, first look sensor, exhaust pulses, dark green, database from another Chevy with same engine code, and gold also database. No, here I compare the waveforms, so you could see that they have the same shape. Maybe golden one is a little different RPMs, so but the basic waveform is the same. So we could not think in first instance about a mechanical issue. Okay, I use a vacuum gauge intake, very low vacuum, only 4 inches, very bad. No, so we continue with the diagnostics, and we use thermal imaging at exhaust, so we can discard blockage at the catalytic converter or at some point in the exhaust. No, it's free, hot but free. No, okay. We think about spark timing issue. Here you could see in dark green voltage, relative compression, blue amperage with amp clamp, also relative compression, and in bright green you could see ignition coil amperage. No? Spark is jumping top dead center, so we discard spark timing. You could see good spark, good spark boots also, no problem here. We move on. Here you could see amperage comparison between our database of a good shaped car, same engine, and the actual car. It's the same basic waveform, different amplitudes. Okay, it's reasonable because we have a rich mixture because of low vacuum. No, this is speed density car. Okay, oil dilution with gasoline. It's normal. No? This was new for me. Intake valve close at 70 degrees after bottom dead center. Also, you could see this deep of low pressure because of late valve intake valve closing. It's good for this car, for this engine. No? Okay, at this time, for sure, I need communication with engine control module. I have to do it the fastest way possible. So I intercept the wiring. I looking for a good resistance. For sure, I will have communication because the car starts and runs, but runs. So communication models is good, not for DLC. Okay, so I use a breakout box, and then I have communication with my scanner. Easy one. So here you could see the diagnostic trouble codes, all about throttle actuator performance. No, take a look to this DTC P2176, idle position not learned. No, so I read the data line, and then visual inspection. You could see here, no words to describe this. No words. No? Here is the data line. No, this is a bad number, very high. So this customer has already another throttle body at the passenger seat. I try with that one. Okay, the TPA doesn't work. I ask for a new one, a new throttle body, and here you could see the fix. No, this is working well. Why the excessive temperature at exhaust? it's a joke. The spark plugs were loosened, no? So I give it the right amount of, I don't know how to see this in English, but not loosen, okay, tight. And here you could see new throttle body, tight spark plugs, at right torque, and then we have good temperature at exhaust. This is a second inline catalyst. Here you could see intake pressure, no? And here you could see the engine running well. No? Engine, vacuum, and response at pedal position sensor. No? For sure, this is a fix. Hope you enjoyed this. You like this video. Have a nice day.